The Jamaica Labour Party JLP could be on a collision course with its supporters in southeast Clarendon. This following reports that party stalwart and Member of Parliament for southeast Clarendon, Rudyard Spencer, could resign from the seat as soon as this week. Our reporter Dwayne Anderson was in the community and now reports.
This is the constituency office of southeast Clarendon Member of Parliament Rudyard Spencer. The calmness around the office Monday betrayed the feeling of unease that has taken hold of his supporters in the constituency. The party loyalists say they got reports of a possible exit from the seat by Rudyard Spencer a few days ago. They are convinced he is being asked to step aside to pave the way for another candidate.
Me say, I Ruddy me want to, if me no get Ruddy me nah vote. Whitney dead I Ruddy me see. Buried spot I Ruddy me see. School I Ruddy me see. Work I Ruddy me see. Me don't know a parental chance so me can't go to him go talk to him. Cause me see him a Rocky and me don't know what him a say to me.
You're hungry and you put the pot for boil up on the cold stove and go to the road because you hear so your MP a come. You go back in with chicken back or tin mackerel hour. They say stick to evil where you know. Oh, you fear run. Oh, you fear run go take in people where you don't know about. You have to stick to evil where we know. My MP good telling can't good no more.
When I spoke with Mr. Spencer, he was non-committal. He said he would address reports of his possible resignation from representational politics on Thursday when he meets with his constituents in Lioneltown in Clarendon. But even before then, Mr. Spencer's supporters had some advice for the Prime Minister and JLP leader Andrew Holness, as well as the party secretariat.
Me change PMP and turn them in a Labour right. And then come this morning and say, Jacqueline, then if I saw then, he better me go on back to me PMP. Yeah, that them tell me. They say if I saw then, if I no Ruddy, make me go back go vote for me PMP then. So if that the Prime Minister want, and that him will get.
Andrew Holness, which is the Prime Minister, our honorable Prime Minister, I already tell you, me then call Brother Love. And me then call Brother Love, then tell you about me about Bush. Let me tell you something. Anyhow, you change. Mr. Spencer, his seat it all fly in your face.
Rudyard Spencer is a four-time MP for southeast Clarendon. He secured victory against the PNP's Patricia Duncan Sutherland in the last general election by over 900 votes. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.